This Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless 2.05 inches straight finish nailer, 16 gauge, is an ideal solution for trim work, baseboard and crown molding installation, flooring, and other woodworking applications. This is compact and powerful and drives standard 16-gauge straight finish nails from 1 inch to 2.05 inches in length with a magazine capacity of up to 110 nails, using an 18V LXT 50Ah battery. This will drive up to 1,000 finished nails on a single charge. Additional features include an anti-dry fire mechanism that is engineered to help prevent driving blanks and damage to the work surface. It has a 2-mode selector switch, trigger lock button, and tool-less depth adjustment for precise flush and countersinks finish. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The powerful motor design drives standard 16-gauge straight finish nails from 1 inch to 2.05 inches in length. Number 2. Drives up to 1,000 finish nails using a 50Ah 18V LXT battery. Number 3. Cordless for increased convenience, eliminates the need for a compressor and air hose. Number 4. Compact center height enables viewing around the nose tip when fastening in tight spots. Number 5. Anti-dry fire mechanism engineered to help prevent driving blanks and damage to the work surface. The reversible belt clip allows the tool to remain close. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.